Hey, what's up, investors and traders? Today we'll speak about the stock market update. And let's start with the S&P 500. We still see that this index continue to trade in a declining channel. Now, in my mind, we are trading at the fourth wave, and from here there is a good probability of bounce, and most probably we'll have another fifth wave. So this fifth wave will be higher than the third wave. So most probably now we down 20% from the beginning of the year, and I hope that the second half of this year will be much better. Nasdaq 200 also is down from its high levels. Let's check. Is now down for 29%, and of course here is the support level about 11,000. So also it's a very bad start for Nasdaq, but all the Fangman stocks, Facebook, Apple, Google, Microsoft are now are not so expensive. The ratios and multiplicators, P ratio, PS ratio, are fairly valued in my mind. So I think that the second half of this year is supposed to be a little bit better than now. And the third index for today is Russell 2000. It's small cap companies, small cap stocks. We can see that now we are testing a very strong support level. We had this level here, we had it as a resistance level, also resistance, and now we are testing this level as a support, a very strong support level, and this level is also are traded till 2018. So we'll see how it will perform. But on the weekly chart we can see that by RSI, the momentum indicator, that we already oversold. So maybe it's a good probability, yes, that we may see a nice bounce directly from this level. The oil price is continue to fall. It's a good sign for the inflation. We know that we have now an inflation spike, so the portion of oil, of natural resources in the inflation are very significant. So if we'll fall below 100 for oil, it will be much easier for the Fed, for the monetary policies. The hikes of the interest rates won't be so tough, won't be so fast. So I hope in the future, maybe August, September, we can see much lower the price oil. Now we can see that the bonds, 10-year treasury bonds, traded about their yield about 3%. So also it, of course, it connected to the inflation. If the inflation will come down, and so the bond yield also we can see a little bit lower, below 3%, because now of course 3% is very high. I hope that here we have a declining channel. So now I would like to see this this yield to come back to this channel, because if it won't, will continue to raise, to spike, so it can be 4%, 5% very easily. It would be a very bad sign for the stock market. And let's check a few stocks for today. The first one is Salesforce. Its ticker is CRM. Now we can see that instead point of the technical analysis, yes, what we can see. Now we are trading at a level of 173, and we are more than 40% down from its high levels. Let's check its parameters. We have total score 88, very high score. Its financial stability is okay. Its cash to debt ratio is less than 1. So with that covered fully by cash, there is no any problem with debt at this company. The marginality, the gross margin is more than 70%. The net margin is not so high, but the levels of growth is very impressive. We can see the EBITDA and revenue growth last 3 years is double digits, and also the PE ratio now is very high. But look at the forward, the PE ratio is 36. It's okay, and also the price per share multiplicator now is only 6. For such marginality is also okay. And let's have a look on the future future growth. We can see that the EPS for future 5 years is more than 15%, and the revenue growth also impressive. It's more than 18%. So as for me, the current ratio, the quick ratio, the liquidity ratio, its amount of debt, the profitability of the company, and the total rank for me is very nice. It's for me it's very convenient. This company now is already after nice correction. We can see the weekly chart. Its RSI is 39, so it's okay. Last time it was so low. It was the COVID crisis, and the end of 18 it was the another market crash. So for me it's just another interesting company with a huge potential of growth, and most probably I hope that it will show a nice performance in the future years. And one of my favorite stocks I'm heavily buying now, I told you about it few videos ago, it's Zoom Video. We had here ABC move, ABC correction, and now it was a declining channel, but now we supposed to get out from this channel, and we can see that most probably will start to bounce, will start to race and to perform very well at this year. At it high levels it was about 600. Now it price also only 117. So for me the potential of growth in Zoom is huge. It's really very high. Of course, let's check one thing. Give me 1 minute. Yeah, we can see that its revenue continue to grow, and its marginality also is okay. But actually, last reports show us falling the marginality from 45 to only 11. But I think it's maybe it's exception. So also after so tough correction, it's for me I think it's one of the best buys in the whole stock market for now. So for me it's one of the best buys in the whole stock market for me. So if you like this video, press the like button, subscribe onto my channel, and see you in the next time. Bye.